Alright, what's going on, guys? So I work in the night. I'm gonna show you guys how to put the SWAT brackets on for the something on the camera. I'll show you guys how to put the SWAT brackets on for the AC condenser or the AC compressor. Yeah, condenser, and then radiator. It's hella cold outside, so go grab this bumper and then we'll take it back inside. Just a little bit of a night video that shit I do. Alright, let's go and take care of that now. Shit is cold.
That's the dog I was talking about next to
Mm.
It's so pretty.
Alright, guys, here's the bumper. It's all off the car and shit. And then, damn, y'all can't see anything. Alright, well, I'm gonna go and shut this hood. We're gonna take this shit back inside. We'll get the drilling on it. Box. Let me give you guys a better view of this real quick. Alright, let's go and get this popped open. What we got in here? So I had been. This is one of the sporty mods I was talking about that should help the car along once I get it tuned. And this is just to help that. Okay. So this is a Walbro 255 fuel pump used, yes. But I verified it was working before it was pulled. So Civic gets a new fuel pump. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on. I'm gonna make a video on it and just kind of throw it in one of the other videos, Civic update or something. Now this is what I've been waiting for. Let's go and get this cut open right quick. You know what? We don't need knives. Knives aren't needed. Ooh. Y'all see that in there? Oh, yeah. There we go. Booyah. I picked up a K Pro. This is supposed to be the V4, I believe, actually. I don't really know what I'm doing with it. On to the actual video. Just want to show you guys I was excited that I got this in. I've been waiting for this for a while. So let's go ahead and get to that ride support install. Cut.
Alright guys, so I need to wait and let that cool off. Actually, you guys might be able to see my old holes. So these are the old ones. I had the radiator, or I guess the bracket in the wrong spot. So I had to shift it over a little bit this way. We're gonna go ahead and take this weld nut, piece of rubber with basically threads inside. As you tighten down on this nut and this rubber is pressed up against something, it'll cause it to balloon up like this. Well, I can't do it by my hand, but it'll cause this rubber to balloon up and keep it from backing out. But you're gonna go ahead and just take the weld nuts. One. No, not that one. The second one. Take that second one, pop her in. I'd advise you to clean all this shit up. I'm not going to, but yeah, clean it up. Then your bracket. You take your bracket, pop it on, screw through. Yeah. Take screw 1, screw 2, pop it in. Mine's not going to be 100% perfect, I know that much.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and just tighten this down now.
Oh, oops.
Alright, so when I pull on it, see how the bracket moves up? I'm gonna go ahead and cinch these down a little bit more, and when I pull on it again, the rubber should be expanded. Yep. That's just having one secured. So we're gonna do the second one now. And yeah, that's it. We can lift the whole front support with just that and the weld nuts. Alright, now we're gonna go and just test and see how my fitment is on the radiator. Got my old stock one here. I'm gonna go ahead and see if they slide in. I do have some margin of error here. So you can, that way you guys can see both of them here. The other bracket's down here, and the one we just did was here. This one may be off ever so slightly. Yeah, it's off by like millimeters, but I think we can still squish it down. That one's in. Maybe we'll squish this one in too. Okay, that one's in. This one's in, roughly. But hey, it's in. Get this pushed all the way down. That's it. So that's basically the swap kit. I'll go ahead and show you guys the top of it real quick. So if you buy the cheap little kit, yeah. So if you guys buy the cheap little kit, it should come with something that looks like this. Like I said, well, hold on, let me get you guys a better shot of that. I'm gonna see if I can just use one of these existing holes already. I should probably be using this one, but let me see if I can just use this. Seems like it'll keep it a little more secure, potentially. Let me see. Yeah, I'll end up using that hole most likely. Nice and sturdy. yeah, we'll stick with that. So that'll be it for the rad swap. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. This was just me showing you guys how to use a cheap little kit and then showing you guys what I was excited about. I got my ECU in, my new fuel pump, so the KSWAP is just that much closer to being done. It's been a long journey, but it's been fun. I've learned a lot so far. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments. But otherwise, you know, thank you guys for watching the video. Just go ahead and, you know, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, share the video. You know, I'm doing big things out here. So thank you guys again for watching the video. Peace out and keep moving forward.